Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3558, number of ways to assign edge weights I. LeetCode problem number 3558, number of ways to assign edge weights I. There is an undirected tree with n nodes labeled from 1 to n, rooted at node 1. The tree is represented by a 2D integer array edges of length n1, where edges I equals ui 6 indicates that there is an edge between nodes ui and 6. Initially, all edges have a weight of 0. You must assign each edge a weight of either 1 or 2. The cost of a path between any two nodes u and v is the total weight of all edges in the path connecting them. Select any one node x at the maximum depth. Return the number of ways to assign edge weights in the path from node 1 to x such that its total cost is odd. Since the answer may be large, return it modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. For example, given edges equals 1, 2, the expected output is 1. To solve this problem using brute force, we can generate all possible assignments of edge weights and count the number of assignments that result in an odd cost. However, this approach is inefficient because it has to consider all possible assignments, which can be very large. The complexity here is 2 and 1. A more efficient approach is to use depth-first search to find the maximum depth and then count the number of ways to assign edge weights in the path from node 1 to the node at the maximum depth. We can use a recursive function to perform the depth-first search and count the number of ways to assign edge weights. The function should return the number of ways to assign edge weights in the path from the current node to the node at the maximum depth. We can use memoization to store the results of subproblems and avoid redundant computation. The complexity here is n. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.